In this video, you'll learn how to search your active eBay listings. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just starting out, knowing how to navigate and manage your active listings is a crucial skill. It helps you keep track of what you're selling and ensures your listings are visible to potential buyers. So, let's dive in and make this process as simple as possible. First, you'll want to head over to eBay's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in ebay.com in the address bar. Once you've landed on the homepage, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already logged in, you'll see the sign-in option at the top right of the screen. Enter your credentials and proceed. Being logged in is essential as it allows you to access your personal selling dashboard where all your listings are managed. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll notice a button labeled Sell. Click on it. This button takes you to your Seller Hub, which is the central area for managing all aspects of your eBay selling activities. The Seller Hub gives you a comprehensive overview of your selling performance, with insights into how your listings are performing and what improvements can be made. Once you're in the Seller Hub, look for the option that says Listing. This is usually found in the main navigation menu within the Seller Hub. Clicking on Listing will show you all of your current listings, but we want to refine this view to focus specifically on your active listings. To do that, find the Active tab. It's typically located at the top of the Listings section. Click on Active. This will filter your view, displaying only those listings that are currently live and available for purchase by buyers. This section is particularly useful because it shows all the items you're actively selling, along with details such as the number of views each listing has received, any bids if applicable, and the time remaining for the listings that have an end date. Navigating these listings is straightforward. You can sort them by various criteria, such as the number of watchers, the ending soonest, or the highest price. This can help you identify which items might need a bit more promotion or perhaps a price adjustment if they're not attracting views or bids. There you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully accessed and searched your active eBay listings. This simple process allows you to keep a close eye on your sales, ensuring everything is running smoothly and efficiently. Remember, staying organized and regularly checking your active listings can greatly enhance your selling experience on eBay. It allows you to make informed decisions based on the visibility and performance of each listing. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that it makes managing your eBay listings a breeze. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks on making the most of your online selling ventures. Happy selling!